water?
This is the main water coming in from your shut-off valve downstairs. Branches off and comes up here. Water comes under here and spins an impeller. You hear it igniting. Starts the ignition. Flames hit the tubes. And then it comes out hot. And you can feel the pipe, not burning hot, but hot. Tell if you can turn it off now.
You can turn it off, Harry. Sorry, I could have walked.
Thanks for,
You could have done that, huh?
as my wife would say, I could have screamed at him.
Turn it off. Okay, it had a button here that said in use, so it's off, the water stopped flowing, but the blower is blowing to cool off the coils, and then it shuts off and you're done. So that's all it does. As long as you have gas, water, and a power source for the ignition, you should never run out of hot water. Okay? So you
Brent,
take the longest showers possible.
Which brand do you use?
It's a Renai.
It's a Renai. Have you tried other ones, or is this the only one you
We've
use?
used Renai and Norris.
Okay.
The reason why we use the Renai is the exhaust system. The exhaust system it's a internal unit, meaning that it pulls its own air in from the outside and exhaust flows out. I should say internal. It's a contained unit. So it doesn't matter what, there's going to be no smell of gas burning, there's going to be no air needed to exhaust. Remember, I don't know if you guys remember, we used to have to put louvered doors in front of gas appliances, so because that flame needs air, right, to burn, to ignite. Well, in this case, it pulls it in from the outside, and the exhaust goes out. So that's why we can put them in these weird places to get it out. They have to be on an outside wall, so we're able to do that. Now, we can go through the roof, but then it creates an issue of air coming in and blowing. We've had air blowing and putting out the flame, and it causing issues. That's why we want to always put it on the outside wall. Fantastic unit. You can control the temperature. If it's too hot for the kids.
Okay.
So if they're learning to take their own shower, you might want to turn it down depending on how hot you want your shower. I love a blazing hot shower. I keep mine on 120. Excuse me, you can call Renai, and they will give you a series of buttons to push, and it will actually take it up to 150. So
You have to get special.
you have to, because this
Special
is,
access
well,
code.
absolutely, this is scald guard. That's where the burn, if it gets above 120, that's where the burn comes in. So they used to, when we first started using them, there was no block. It would go up to whatever it was. Then they put the block on it because I think the scald guard issue was.
And you guys are going to want a latch out here on this door, up here,
Okay.
Is that right? Yeah.
Yeah, we're thinking about putting a baby gate.
because you got a little boy like I had a little boy, and he'll be in here playing with that.
Yeah, so it's